Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create a Runway AI account. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type app.runwayml.com and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of Runway AI. From here you can log in. The buttons are right here. And if you want to sign up, here's the button right here that says sign up for free. Simply click on it. Now what you need to do is simply enter your email address right here, or you can also sign up with your Google ID, Apple ID, or single sign-on, also called as SSO. You can choose whichever method you wish. I'm simply gonna sign up using my email address. I'm gonna click on next. Now it's gonna ask me to enter my username, my password and password confirmation. Simply enter your credentials right now. Once everything's okay, simply click on next. Now in this section, it's gonna ask you to enter your first name and last name. You can enter your organization name or not. It's optional. Now I'm gonna enter my credentials. Once everything's okay, simply hit on the create account button right here. Now it has sent a verification code to the registered email address. Let's go to Gmail right now. Here is the mail that I have received. Simply copy the code. And now I'm gonna paste the code right here. Once everything's okay, simply click on validate. In case you did not receive a code, you can click on this button that says resend code. Now you can subscribe or skip. It's completely up to you. For now, I'm gonna skip. And there you have it, guys. We have successfully signed up to runway.ai. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.